Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks and projects swirling around your workspace? It's like trying to juggle a dozen balls while blindfolded. But what if there was a tool that could help you organize, track, and manage your work more efficiently? That's where Paymo comes in. Imagine a virtual workspace where everything is neatly organized, deadlines are clearly visible, and collaboration is a breeze. That's the promise of Paymo. But what exactly is it, and how can it benefit you and your team? What is Paymo? Paymo is a powerful project management software that brings together a suite of features designed to streamline your workflow. From task management and time tracking to resource allocation and client communication, Paymo has got you covered. Key features: task management. Break down complex projects into manageable tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Paymo's intuitive interface makes it easy to visualize your workload and stay on top of deadlines. Time tracking. Accurately track the time spent on each task using Paymo's built-in time tracker. This helps you understand project timelines, identify bottlenecks, and optimize resource allocation. Resource management. Manage your team's capacity and availability to ensure projects are staffed appropriately. Paymo's resource planning tools help you avoid overallocation and ensure that your team has the resources they need to succeed. Collaboration. Foster teamwork and communication with Paymo's collaboration features. Share files, comment on tasks, and assign responsibilities directly within the platform. Reporting. Gain valuable insights into your team's productivity and project performance with Paymo's customizable reports. Track key metrics, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. Benefits of using Paymo. Increased productivity. Streamline your workflow, eliminate bottlenecks, and improve overall team efficiency. Improved collaboration. Foster better communication and teamwork among your team members. Enhanced project visibility. Gain a clear overview of project progress and identify potential issues early on. Better resource management. Optimize resource allocation and avoid overallocation. Data-driven decision-making. Make informed decisions based on real-time data and analytics. How to get started with Paymo. Sign up for a free trial. Start by creating a free Paymo account to explore its features and see if it's the right fit for your team. Import your existing projects. Easily transfer your existing projects and tasks into Paymo. Customize your workspace. Tailor Paymo to your specific needs by customizing workflows, templates, and reporting options. Start using Paymo. Begin tracking tasks, assigning resources, and collaborating with your team. Paymo is more than just a project management tool. It's a powerful solution that can help you transform the way you work. By organizing your tasks, tracking time, managing resources, and fostering collaboration, Paymo empowers you to achieve your goals and deliver exceptional results. So, if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by your workload, give Paymo a try. You might just discover a whole new level of productivity and efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.